In primetime news this evening, back to school jitters. Parents express worry about sending children to school. Manifesto promises. JLP declares its plans to woo voters. I regret it. PNP candidate Crystal Tomlinson remorseful for not strictly following COVID-19 protocols at party.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, the Business Day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do the national debates influence your voting decision? Give reasons for your answer.
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.